Battlesbridge this morning.
It does matter. So
This is a lovely little car. Super clean.
it's very dubious. Oh yes, it's very.
Full again, sir. Oh, suits you, sir. Suits you.
I mean, it's
So-
worth it, isn't it? All the stuff you've been doing to it.
It's so clean, isn't it?
Because no, when you
Hell,
first
guys,
got it
look.
and you brought it over.
Now that's what you call low miles.
Yeah, that's right. I did. Yeah.
Look at the headlining.
Yeah, it's all original.
Look at that. Few choice modifications,
Silly little bits of the places I've got to go with.
but still keeps it looking
So I
original.
put fibre washers on all the bumper bolts.
Oh, yeah.
things like that.
Yeah. Makes a difference, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's unreal, isn't it?
But I'm glad I'm making. I know everyone buys the Milton
Yeah.
strut brace, but I just wanted it all to match in with the car.
Look at that in there. It's nice, isn't it? Lovely old console.
John? If I move back. Yeah, the piece of work.
Nice and clean. TR7.
That was painted to match our tent. And my uncle had a flat nose bed with the sliding doors, and he painted his brand for his runners. They've only had little things. That's what you did back in the 70s.
Well, he did, didn't he? Yeah, you didn't bring him out then, did you? Well, this one was a 3-speed, and it comes down to here, and the gearbox
Oh, guys.
arms are on this side.
All low miler. Only history in there.
And arms on the other side. It's turned in.
I do like the old Revolutions. Really suit the old Fords. Well, the heavens have opened up. It's soaking wet. Everyone's motors. I mean, it's England, isn't it? It happens. You've got to deal with it, I suppose, but not what they forecast, but never mind. Oh, 36. I do like them. I like the shape of them. Comment. Oh, Jensen. Yeah. A while since I've seen one of those.
it's like if you came back tomorrow, I'd be like, well, go on, spend half an hour, get all the wheels out of the garage, because at the end of the day, I can stick it on the patio, they can stay outside if need be. And then it's
Riley. But he took his driver's seat and ran, look. Terrible, isn't it, the weather? Look at the truck, this is cool. Scammer.
Oh, can I please this? My leg could probably only fit on it. My leg could
This is a lovely thing. I wonder what year this is. Oh, Cavalier looks cool on them wheels. One's drying off their motors.
Oh, I think that's a new one.
Yeah, so no, so she's 22 years old. You won't find one cleaner. Never been welded underneath, don't need it.
Hopefully everyone's bought their levers. Give their cars a clean off while they're here. Dry them up a bit, innit? Marcus is always well turned out. Old poor old XR sitting there soaking wet. It's convertible guys I feel sorry for. Jim's got old Marvin the Metro out. I'm with Steve in the 100E today. Look at this old grey Ferguson. Look at that. I love the old tractors. Mark 4, that's a tidy old thing, isn't it? Anglia, those look well sitting on Revolutions. I like them. Pair of 16Es. Typical England. Now the sun's decided to come out.
Now it's kind of like, do you want to destroy it or keep it on the road? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I wouldn't knock them. I think they're good.
No, I like them.
They're never anywhere near as unreliable.
Right.
It's just all silly little
Yeah.
things you get.
Yeah.
Anyone need a gearbox? Lovely, isn't it? Little sign writing on the door.
I am right in thinking, aren't I, that if that's the beam where you've got the locking nut and you've got the bolt there.
Yeah, so
if that's all the way up, that's as high as it can go.
Let's say this is a world up. I don't know anything about it. Yeah, because I mean, we're obviously we run out of the farm with the big lorries. And if I asked him, he might let me keep one in the corner.
I think anyone that's got an interest on mine to do this.
Yeah.
They're quite small, they tuck away, you know, they're smaller
Yeah.
than tractors, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean, let's say it's
Just leave a few bits on there.
it's the history of it, isn't it? You know,
Because if it's too good, it's not right, is it?
No.
That sounds silly.
You know, it sort of loses its identity a bit. I think it's too scared to take it.
Yeah, I know, yeah, it just gets used everywhere. I mean, we pushed the steam engine around a bit.
Yeah, I would have. Yeah. It's like 1961. They had manual for 2 years.
So if you've only had it 3 years, how much did you
6.
You're joking.
What a straight old thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
The old E-type. This one's for sale.
No. No, it's the Heritage Shell. Complete rebuild from Heritage Shell down.
Sounds nice, doesn't it?
Open the boot and it all runs down.
And then there was a cam cover.
A cam cover.
Look at that, much neater that looks. Loads better. Loads.